Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you can allow certain permissions for files in cPanel. Okay, so if you are installing a script, they will usually require you sometimes to give certain permissions on certain files, okay, for it to be successful. Okay, so once you are logged into your cPanel account, go to your file manager, okay, mostly where your files reside. So you can just search that file manager, okay, and open that app. Okay, so your files will usually reside in the public underscore html file. Okay, and I'm assuming you are already on this, and so you find your files. This is the application that I'm currently hosting on my learnwithdave.xyz domain. Okay, but let's assume that they ask you to give a 755 permission on this folder called assets. Okay, so all you have to do is navigate to permissions and click on that particular permission, and then just update it to that number and click on save. Okay, and then sometimes you are required to go down onto certain folders and allow permission on certain files that are within folders. So all you have to do is to click on it, it will open, and then you navigate to that particular section of a file or a folder and then allow those permissions. Okay, so that's how you allow permissions for certain folders on a cPanel or on your project in cPanel. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and be a part of this community.